Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to talk about combination locks. But wait a minute. In a world where everything is either retina-based, fingerprint-based, or even voice-based for security, we need to give this lock an upgrade. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's check out the Tapplock 1. Now, Tapplock 1, I would say, has reinvented how you unlock a padlock. We saw our previous generation, which was the dial, and now what we have here is this simple solution that all you have to do is by pressing this button down here once to power it up, and then using your fingerprint, just like this, unlocks your combination lock, in this case now your fingerprint lock. So let's take a look at some of the features and why you'd want to consider this lock for locking any of your secure valuables. Let's check it out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. So let's take a look at some of the features here that are highlighted by the product. So first of all, you have battery life. It's 1 year per 2-hour charge. So this is going to last a very long time. So if you want to use this for a school lock or pretty much to take the place of any combination lock, you can, and rest assured that you're going to have a 1 year battery life. You also have 3 ways to unlock, so you could use either your fingerprint. It is also connected, if it's paired with your phone, you can actually use your phone to do this, or even in Morse code. From a IP rating, IP66, water and rust proof, and you'll notice that it operates in pretty harsh conditions as well. Unlock in 0.8 seconds and stores up to 500 fingerprints for multiple users. I don't have that many fingerprints that I'd use, but this really makes sense, especially if you have a full family, maybe a family of 4. You want to have multiple fingers on here registered, and therefore other people have lock access. Also, what you're looking at is the shareable wireless access, so you can manage unlimited users with an access history. And then, as you can see here, it's made out of a really durable alloy material with cut-resistant 7mm stainless steel shackles. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so let's take a closer look at the lock itself. So really looks just like a standard lock. It's a little bit thicker, obviously, because it has a battery and the fingerprint sensor mechanism. On the bottom here, you have your contact points, and it does come with an included charging cable that connects magnetically. Here you have your button that's going to power up the lock so that you can use the fingerprint sensor. And then the back, you'll see right here, is pretty standard, right? So it looks like a normal lock. It is a little bit heavier than I would say a normal lock, but all you do, once again, is you press this button here. So you see this light up, and then what you do is you use your fingerprint to unlock. And it's pretty fast. So we'll go ahead and do that one more time. Make sure it's locked. Press it again. It's actually powered up. And it opens up. It's really simple, effortless. And you know what, I find that this is a great option, especially if you have combination lock users that may suffer from low vision. So if you think about non-sighted people who would love to be able to use a combination lock and use a standard one like this, this is a really good option for them as well. Also, just from a convenience perspective, I think it's really convenient in my mind, instead of having to use the fingerprint or actually the combination lock, to be able to use your fingerprint or use your phone. Let's go ahead and check out the app. So the app itself is available in the iOS marketplace as well as the Android marketplace. Download, install it, and then what you do is you'll connect it to the lock itself. By pressing the button twice, the blue LED here is going to start to flash, and then you'll connect it via the app. Once you have it connected and registered, all you do is press unlock, and then that's how fast you can unlock it. You can register your fingerprints as well. In this area, very similar as you're registering your fingerprint for your either Android or iPhone. Under the lock setting area, you're going to be able to see your picture profile for your lock, the lock name, Morse code if you want to use like a tapping function to unlock it, and then also it's firmware upgradable. That's one of the things I checked to see if there was a firmware upgrade. It did, and it updated without a problem. So that concludes our review of the Tapplock 1 from Tapplock. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment area. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.